Just your cousin Teddy. He's a waiter. He's singer and he likes rock music.
It's my brother, Eddie. He's a doctor. He's got a wife and 2 kids, and he likes classical music. How about this one?
I don't know. A cousin?
No.
Your brother?
It's my Aunt Judy.
An uncle? Sorry, Miss Morris. She looks like your uncle.
Tell me something about her.
She's an architect.
Artist.
Married?
Divorced.
2 kids. 3 kids. 4, 5
No
kids.
Only 8 more. Here's an easy.
I don't know. I know who your father is. Why are you showing me photo of your
Now
father?
pay attention.
Why do you have such a large family? Not that large. You have 6 brothers and sisters, 14 aunts and uncle. Who know how many cousins, niece and nephew? I say that's a such large family.
They're not all coming over.
No, just 18 of them.
Honey, I just want them to like you. Calm down. It's okay. You're doing fine.
Okay, I'm okay. Your cousin John?